This video is on the audio files and the text. These are examples of the ones that I've shown in a previous video, but I wanted to show you each site. So let's start with the first one, and it's probably the trickiest of all of them. Of course, let's find, there it is. There's a lot going on this site, lots of ads. But to do the text part of it, it has all kinds of stuff that you can do with your webcam, your images, but just click on create the glitter texts for this site. I'm going to go back to, and you can't see it very well, but it is in this, when you insert into a table. Let's see if we take it out and make it bigger. You can see that it's glittering. Wig flip, let's go to that one. This one does all kinds of different things. So when you actually get to this site, you have to scroll down. I did one with the streets, the easy street. I did one with SignBot. So you can pick a lot of different things. The posters. In this one I did the sign, and then I also did this one. Cool text is this one, and I believe this one as well. Let's go to cool text. Let's go ahead and close that one. This one, cool text. And you can just put in the words and then choose what you want to do with it. It's real user friendly. Let's see. And then textanim.com. That is this one, and let's pull it out so you can see. Let me pull that out. It's not being cooperative here. Hang on. Here. So I make this bigger, and you can actually see, and you can change the way that looks. There's quite a lot going on with that one. So that's one of the cooler ones. Probably the most user-friendly is the cool text, but as you can see, they're not moving. But this one was probably easier than the other two for the animated. And there's just, you put in the text, and there's so many different options and pages of what you can do with it. Alright, let's go to the sound. This page was in the last video. This is just from the book itself. So this was just inserted a pull tab and then typed up the text. Everything else on this page are separate pictures. They inserted that, they inserted the words. This is also a picture that they just resized to make it the whole page. I'm going to click here. Oh, I clicked on the button. So they locked this in place, but if you click on this and go to ungroup, and I believe it's grouped more than once. Ungroup again. What they did was they inserted the sounds, the words are separate, the box is separate, then they just grouped them all together when they had it the way they wanted it. I wanted to show you, I'm going to show you Find Sounds and use Zamzar and show you how these work. So if you go to Find Sounds, and it starts out like this, and you can search for what you want, or one of the things that I did was just see what types of sounds, and it just lists them all the different kinds. And then let's say keys. So click on it, and it'll give you all these different samples. And you can play and hear what they sound like. And these are all some of these are waves, some are already in MP3 format, which is what Notebook has to be. So you can right click, save target as, and you're ready to go. If you do a wave file, I want to show you Zamzar. Zamzar, if you go to register, it is not a free service. The lowest amount is $7 per month. And that's if you want to keep all your sounds on this site. But what you can do is browse and find your file, and convert it to whatever you want to convert it to, and you can email it to yourself, which is what I did with a WAV file from the Find Sounds. When you get the email, it looks like this, and if you go down underneath this box, you click this link, and it takes you to another link, but then you can download it from here and save it as the MP3 file. And then when you go back to your notebook, let's say we're going to upload that new file, so we hit the paperclip, go to Insert, Copy a File. I'm going to find it. I'm going to make sure, because see, I also have the WAV file, but I want to make sure to upload my MP3 format file. So I click on that and open it. And then on a blank page, I just searched clap, and I'm going to put a picture in there. And there are a couple different ways that you can do sound. You can put insert, and you can do a sound and go from there, or you can just click the paperclip and drag it onto the sound, and then it's there. And that is the easiest ways to use the animated text and the sound files.